Assalamualaikum dear students. So today we are going to start our lesson with essay number 6, that is health. Health is wealth is a well-known proverb often quoted by parents and teachers. Good health keeps us always happy and gives us feeling of complete physical, mental, social and intellectual well-being. When people meet, they usually ask one another, "How are you? How are you getting on?" Famous saying is that he who has health has hope, and who has hope has everything. This is a very important quote, and you do not need to change the place of the quote. The simplest and the most traditional definition of health is that it is the freedom from sickness and diseases. But according to the World Health Organization, a branch of United Nations, health is physical, mental and social well-being and not merely the absence of disease. Good health is the most precious gift and is necessary for a purposeful existence. Health is precious and certainly a great blessing of Allah Almighty. Hygienic environment, personal cleanliness, wholesome food and a regular way of life sometimes recreation and rest are sure to make a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Young people who have plenty of energy need to take vigorous athletic exercises in fresh open air. Health is not a condition of matter but of man. So dear students, similarly you can complete the rest of the essay. There are no difficult vocabulary used in it. You can read it yourself and understand it easily. The purpose is to use the quotations on the right places. The next essay we have is a monsoon or a rainy day. It is also a recount, plus where we are using present tense. You are supposed to use present tense because we are generalizing the facts, and where we are using past tense, it's mean that we are recounting or we are narrating a story. The rainy season visits us each round the year in July when the heat is at its height. A rainy day in summer is a blessing. Every man, woman, animal and bird wishes the rain to start to give relief. The first rain of the season is the most welcomed. It provides a relief from the scorching heat of the sun. It gives a new look to the trees. It boosts agriculture production. Once in the first week of July, sky was heavily overcast, and now in the first paragraph we are generalizing the facts, and now we are actually starting the recount, इंक्लूडिंग द फैक्ट्स. जहाँ जहाँ पे हम फैक्ट्स डालते रहेंगे वहाँ वहाँ ये प्रेजेंट टेंस हो जाएगा, और जहाँ जहाँ हम प्रीवियस अपनी किसी रेनी डे को रिकाउंट करेंगे वहाँ वहाँ हम उसको पास्ट में ले जाएंगे. Sky was heavily overcast and main clouds swept across the sky. Strong southwesterly winds that blew over the Indian Ocean brought the monsoon clouds, which caused a lot of rain. Southwesterly monsoon wind is refreshingly cool and it brings relief to the gasping. अब यहाँ पे हम अगर प्रेजेंट यूज़ करें, इसका मतलब ये होता है कि जब भी ये वाली बारिश होती है तो इसमें ऐसे ही मौसम हो जाता है. Again we are generalizing the fact. So it did in July when the temperature rose alarmingly high. Newspapers carried reports of death and heat stroke or exhaustion. मतलब heat stroke का मतलब था जो बहुत ज़्यादा हीट बर्दाश्त ना करने वाले लोग होते हैं, and exhaustion mean extremely tiredness, and the death toll was mounting every day. मतलब it was increasing every day. A night before it had been oppressively hot and humid, यानी बुरी तरह जालिमाना तौर पर गर्म और humid था. It was dazzling sunrise and the most moist dew on the grass glittered on the sunshine. Surprisingly the wind मतलब एक दफ़ा जो दिन है वो तो शुरू हुआ है, and surprisingly the wind rustled through tops of the trees and it was just splendid. The humid heat was gone in no time. We saw the rolling of mass of clouds across the sky. In no time it began to rain. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ में हमने सारी डिटेल्स बताई हैं, what happened when the rain started and how it ended, and each of the part of the rain carries good or bad news with it. In these days monsoon is not very much beneficial for everyone, but we are going to talk about more benefits of the rain. So that is it for today dear students.